Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a Trimas 3-star British Standard TS007 2014 kite mark cylinder, which is anti-snap, anti-drill, anti-plug pull, anti-pick and anti-bump. So yeah, not really heard of Trimas before. Let's have a look. Seems to work very nicely on both sides. This is the external side. You can tell because it's got the anti-snap feature here. There's grub screws, which is going to make this so much easier to gut if we pick it, which is really nice. It looks like it's got a lacquer on here, which is often a sign of a less good quality lock, but we'll see. I do like the fact that it's got a little measuring tape on here, so you can measure how long your cylinder is from the center. And looking at this, it looks like a 35, well, it'd be somewhere close to 30 millimeters on either side of the cam, or from the absolute center, 35. Anything else it says here? No, nothing particularly interesting, but yeah, that is the lock. So let's grab a vise, throw this in, and see if we can have a pick. And if we can pick it, we'll see if we can gut it. And if we can gut it, we'll see what's all inside. And yeah, we'll pick the external side, which is the side we're supposed to pick. All right, back in a sec. So we are in the vise. Here is the key. We have some nice cuts here. High cuts in 1, 3, and 6. Probably a maximum adjacent cut between 1 and 2, 3 and 2. A 0 cut here in pin position 4, and we have a medium cut in 5. This should work. So look, very nicely. We'll grab a bottom of the keyway tool. I've got to find the right one. Just a turner, and we'll use a gem pick to go in, and we'll pull back and we'll see what we can find. So this is 6, nothing on 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm trying to feel for anything that's binding, and it feels like pin 4 there was. Nothing on 2, nothing on 1. Okay, back to the back. Oh, it's everything's binding now. Let's try anything on 1. Yep, 1's binding. Got it. Back through to the back. 6, little click. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So what I might do is I might just go in with a medium hook, if I can, and try pin 6 now. Oh, nice, very good click on pin 6. Let's try 4 now. We're going to 4. 3. Okay, so 6, 5, counter rotation. Got it, I think. 4. 3, no, 2, and 1. Oh, 1 is binding, I think. Is it? No, that feels fine. Okay, let's try that gem again. So 6 feels good. 5, 4. Just be careful, this is 3. Good, but I dropped some stuff. That's 4, that's good. Now, just testing pin 6 at the back. That feels good. 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's try 1 again. 1 feels good. Nothing on 2. So might go in again with a deeper hook. 6 feels good. 5 feels good. 4 feels good. 3, 2, and 1. 1 isn't set yet properly. Don't think it was. Got it. Okay, So try again. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I don't know who's holding us back. We're in a very deep falset. It could be 3, to be honest with you. But it could be we're hung up on like a T-pin, so I'm just going to tap the tops of all these pins. I might go with a gem to do that. Hopefully we're not in an overset trap. Okay, I think I got a pin, but I might have not been able to fully set it. Ah, I got it. And we are open. Whew, that was really quite tough. Okay, so I feel that there might be some like little T-pins in there or something. Bit of a fight, this lock. We definitely have the open. Let's do it back up and grab a hex key. See if I've got one the right size. Would this do? Or do I need a smaller one? That is the smallest one I've got from this type, and it's too small. Okay, need to find my screwdriver set. And this should have a nice size one in here. Let's try this one. Yes, that's perfect. In fact, I might. Let's do one. And we'll tip that chamber 1 out. So we have a nice spool in chamber 1. This won't be anything fancy at all. It'll just be one of those quite well made locks. So the T-pins could just be the bottom of the spool pins, because this could just be nothing but spools. That's a key pin. So it's spool, spool. Ah, there was a little T-pin. It's a sprung pin. That's what makes it so difficult. Okay. I'll just put the key in, see if I can. There we go, get that key pin out. Ah, pin in pin pin. A pin in pin pin? And another pin in pin. Yes, so that really deep falset is actually just a pin in pin pin pin. This one is another spool, thankfully. And the last one, I'm going to say a spool. Yeah. Can we get the key pin out? We can. Right. Let's get this going. A bit like that. A bit like this. Okay. So, very interesting. So, here are the pins. And you can see here that we have some very nice spool pins with nice, you see that? Some nice thin spooling there. And then we got some pin-in pins. I'll get that out for you to show you. So this one is this one. So this is a free floating pin. This one here, you'll see, is a sprung pin. So that's sprung, probably anti-pick and anti-bump there. and it's got a little bit of a groove on there to stop it going back in, but that probably acts possibly as a little spooling as well. But yeah, that's interesting. Then we have spool, spool, sprung T-pin, floating T-pin, spool, spool. Yeah, interesting lock. Definitely interesting. Definitely more different pinning in there than I was expecting. So that is the Trimas 3-star cylinder. Not bad. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. So please do that. It really helps my channel out. If you think I'm worth it and want to see more content like this, if you have any comments, please leave them below. I do read them all and I'll reply to as many as I can. And I'll see you all next time.